Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the sound you want. Make sure it's an MP3 or AAC and under 30 seconds because iPhone ringtones must be short. Once chosen, import the file into iTunes and listen to find the exact start and end timestamps. Make note of those times in SS form. You'll use them to create a trimmed version. Make sure to back up the original file so you can revert if you need to, and then we'll set the clip in iTunes. You now trim and convert. Right-click the track, choose Get Info, then options to enter the start and stop times you noted. Click OK. Next, use File right arrow convert right arrow create AAC version to make a trimmed clip. Once created, reveal the file in Finder or Explorer, then change its extension from M4A to M4R so iPhone recognizes it as a ringtone. Make sure to reset the original track's times to finally sync the ringtone. Connect your iPhone, then drag the M4R file into iTunes under Tones or directly onto the device icon, click Sync or Apply. On the phone, go to Settings right arrow Sounds and Haptics right arrow ringtone and pick your new tone. If it doesn't appear, make sure the file extension is M4R, restart iTunes and the iPhone, then resync. Troubleshooting tip: if conversion created duplicates, delete extras in iTunes and recreate the AAC from the original file before converting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.